having an earthquake right now. Hold this, hold this.
After one of China's most devastating earthquakes, one of the country's biggest milk brands, Yilli, took immediate action. Within 2 hours, Yilli Milk sent in relief supplies. All of East Asia knows Yilli's brand. Yilli believes doing good is good business. Yilli supported the orphans of 2008 by providing dairy products free to every child under 18. For the earthquake's 3-year anniversary, Yilli teamed up with Sichuan's local TV station to fund a series of inspirational films of a community rebuilding itself. So the people of Sichuan could see with their own eyes the triumph of human spirit, the togetherness and the determination they had all displayed. Yilli brings change for the better, resonates with local people, and contributes to local culture. Sichuan province agrees, buying 5% more Yilli in June 2011, making Yilli Sichuan's #1 milk brand for the first time ever.